In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in your Nissan car remote. Turn the key around, hold this little release, and pull the key out. See two little slots, 1 and 2. What you would do, and you pry it, 1 and 2, and then just pull it apart. And comes right out. There you go. Now to put it back together, put the battery in. Grab the other piece, other half of the remote, and just put it together. Push it together, make sure it's tight. Then you grab your key, slide it right in, and you're good to go. And that's how you replace your battery in your Nissan car remote. Thank you for watching.
Viewers, subscribe to my channel to see more of awesomeness. You can also follow me on Facebook and Twitter.